Hey you guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do a Bulgarian split squat. Bulgarian split squats are probably one of my most favorite exercises, even more than a squat. I just feel that they're so effective and you can really isolate your muscles in a Bulgarian split squat. Now, just like in a squat, you want to think about sitting back in a chair. Whenever we teach a squat, we say, think about pushing your hips back just like you're going to do when you sit in a chair. We're going to do the same thing with a Bulgarian split squat, which sometimes gets confused with a lunge. So you want to find something you can elevate your back foot on. It could be a step, a bench at the gym, a chair at home. You can stack up boxes, anything like that. So we're going to elevate our foot. Now, one thing that you want to make sure you're not doing is getting too long of a stance. If your stance is too long and wide, your hips will become out of line and that will be hard to balance. It won't be as effective and you won't be able to isolate your muscle as much. So you want to get a good stance. You want to stay pretty close and then again, keeping those hips in line. Now you want to think again about sitting back in that chair. So we're pushing our hips back, staying in the heel of our front foot and keeping our chest up. So we'll come straight down and then straight back up. And then on the other side, so you can see, we're elevating that back foot. We're keeping our chest up and then pushing those hips back, leading up with our chest. So if you are a beginner and you're just getting used to the balance in a Bulgarian split squat, you can use something like a box to just put your hand on to help you with balance. You can do this with your wall at home or a door hinge, something like that. Try that out. You guys are gonna be so surprised how much this isolates your glutes. So let me know what you think. Comment below on what you want a tutorial on next and check out my website for more workouts.